In this video, we're going to delve into the meaning of the EL0C error, also known as EL0C, found in air conditioning units. Let's start by saying that the main significance of this error code is a lack of refrigerant gas, possibly due to a leak. However, as we'll see later, certain checks or procedures need to be carried out first to arrive at this conclusion. Some of the manufacturers using the EL0C error designation in air conditioning models include VGH, Midea, Actron, Air, Mirage, Train, Elgin, Alaska, Sanyo, Sharp. It's essential to understand that the generation of the EL0C code depends on the tracking strategy that the equipment model employs. Confirming the actual presence of a leak is important. For example, when the equipment manages to turn on, you can use an amperage clamp meter to check the electrical current consumption of the unit. Compare the clamp meter reading with the RLA of the equipment. A gas leak causes a decrease in the current consumption. This check is straightforward, and can be done without directly intervening in the air conditioner. Simply use a cable from the equipment's power supply. To temporarily clear the error code, you can try disconnecting it from the electricity for several minutes, and attempt to turn it on directly if possible. If the equipment has normal electricity consumption, then perform the following checks. A. Clean air filters in the indoor unit, as clogged filters can cause high readings in room temperature, leading to faults incorrectly related to gas shortage. B. Check the speed and cleanliness of the indoor unit's turbine, which can affect the equipment's operation, and may cause high temperature readings, leading to faults incorrectly related to gas shortage. C. If a temperature sensor is poorly placed or calibrated, an alarm may occur. Verify the temperature sensor's electrical resistance with a digital multimeter. Disconnect it to test with the multimeter set to kilohms. It should never read infinity or zero. When rubbing it with your hand, the multimeter's resistance reading should decrease. Also, check if the card feeds the sensor correctly by connecting the sensor. D. Electronic cards with issues can cause non-existent errors or faults, although this cause is not very common. E. In case a gas leak truly exists, check with a manifold gauge set, and suspect the pipe joints of the air conditioner. Look for oil stains on the equipment.